Have you ever wondered how YouTube and Netflix recommend videos to you, or how Amazon suggests products that match your interests? It's all because of machine learning. But what exactly is machine learning? Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine John loves listening to songs. His preferences, whether he likes or dislikes a song, depends on factors like genre, intensity, tempo, and vocals. Now, take a look at this diagram. You can see two clear clusters, one for songs he likes and another for songs he dislikes. From this, we can observe that John prefers songs with low intensity and fast tempo. Now, suppose John listens to a new song. Will he like it or not? From our diagram, it's obvious he will like it. But what if the new song has moderate intensity and tempo? How do we decide if he'll like or dislike it? This is where machine learning comes in. By using the KNN machine learning algorithm, we found that John will dislike the new song because algorithm identified it as being closer to the songs he previously disliked. This is the example of one of the popular algorithm known as K-nearest neighbors. And that's just one example of how machine learning works behind the scenes in recommendations, predictions, and so much more. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, allows algorithms to identify hidden patterns within datasets and make predictions on new, unseen data of similar nature without being explicitly programmed for each task. And popular applications of machine learning are email, spam detection, house price, prediction, handwritten, text detection, image and facial recognition, speech recognition. There are three major branches of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is further divided into two categories: classification and regression. Similarly, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning are divided into other branches. That's all for today's video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments section. And don't forget to hit subscribe button.